So future sampler and future prosh. Future sampler अभी हम करेंगे, and future prosh, if you remember, ale plus infinitive. So you have to conjugate the verb ale and then you have to use infinitive. For example, I'm going to listen to the music. Je vais écouter de la musique. Je vais écouter. Okay. On the other hand, future sampler is also not very difficult. So future sampler is this. That is simple future. One thing, what is the difference between future sampler and future prosh? Future prosh is used when you are talking about a near future. मैं अभी ये करने वाली हूँ. I'm just going for a walk. I'm just going to give my exam. Je vais passer mon examen. Okay. Je vais aller au restaurant. I'm going to the restaurant. Future sampler can be a long term future plan. जैसे अगर मैंने पूछा कि what are your future plans after 5 years, या फिर next month what are you planning, तो you can use future sampler. To be honest, the French people, they use future sampler and future proche alternatively. मतलब there is no major bifurcation, but according to the rules and as per the logic, this is the bifurcation. Future proche is near future and future sampler is the simple future. So whenever you're talking about the long term future plans, then you use future sampler. Now future sampler का जो formation है, that is very easy. Okay. Now, not very difficult. What is it? That future is form avec le verbe à la infinitive. मतलब future is formed with the infinitive form. You take the whole verb. Okay, the full infinitive form you take. So there is no conjugation. Just take the full verb. If it is an ER ending, take the ER ending. IR ending है IR ending ले लो, और RE है तो RE ले लो. Take the full form and add the endings AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT and ONT. So for example, the verb is demande. Demande. हमने पूरा verb लिया. We took the whole verb and we added AI. So it will be je demanderai. Je demanderai. For example, the verb is finir. तो हो जाएगा je finirai. Tu finiras. Il finira. Nous finirons. Nous finirons. Vous finirez. Ils finiront. तो क्या करना है? You have to take the whole verb, the complete ER, IR, RE verb, and you have to add the endings AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT, ONT. And that's how you make any verb into future. Got it? So it will be je demanderai. Tu demanderas. Elle demandera. Nous demanderons. Vous demanderez. Ils demanderont. RONT, like this. So पूरा verb without any exception, पूरा verb लेना है, और AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT, ONT you have to add. You can also remember that these are the endings similar to the avoir. Have की जो endings है, J, tu, a, il, a, ella, ONS, EZ, ONT, ONT. Okay, so you can also remember this way. इतना समझ आया? Alisha, Harshita, Gunish, are you able to follow this much?
It's
Seems
the
a little
future.
bit confusing.
Confusing है थोड़ा सा. अभी practice करेंगे, so it will get better. Just you have to take the whole verb and add these endings. Gunish, you were also saying something.
I said like I joined 5 minutes late, I guess. It's future tense, right?
Yes, it's a simple future tense. Yes.
Okay.
ठीक है. Okay. Now ये तो है normal formation. Now there are irregular verbs also. तो उसके अंदर जो पूरा वर्ब का इन्फिनेटिव है दे चेंज दैट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एत्र बिकम्स सेहे. सो एत्र का क्या हो जाता है, मैं बताती हूँ इधर, वेट. ज सेहे, SERAI. क्यू सेहा, इल एल सहा, नु सहो. तो जो SER है दे टेक इट as the first stem of etra, and then they add the verbs. Avoir becomes ohai. Avoir का हो जाता है johai. Okay, tu oha. It's like there will be या they will have. ओके, तो फ्यूचर में avoir को फ्यूचर में यूज करना है तो ohai ओहा. फेयर का हो जाता है फेरई फेरा. आले का हो जाता है इरई. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई गो टू कैनेडा नेक्स्ट month. Je irai. J'irai au Canada le mois prochain. The next month. Je irai au Canada le mois prochain. वेनीर का हो जाता है व्योंद्रई. तो ये आपको याद करने होंगे these irregular future tenses. Okay. Now, pour certains verbes, il faut enlever i final. For some verbs, we remove the final e. So for some verbs, we remove that e. So maître का हो जाता है je mettrai. Je mettrai. RE को remove करो. Sorry, E को remove करो and you add AI. Now this is true for some verbs. अब वो some verbs कौन से हैं that you जैसे जैसे हम practice करेंगे you will get to know that. So don't worry. You just have to remember the basic rules and then eventually as and when we practice we will get there. Okay. See, it is written also over here. Il est souvent possible d'utiliser le futur ou le futur proche. It is often possible to use future or near future. So you can use them alternatively. For example, demain j'irai chez le docteur. Tomorrow I'll go to the doctor. Demain je vais aller chez le docteur. Tomorrow I will go to the doctor. तो यहाँ पर future sorry, यहाँ पर future sample है, sorry future prosh है और ऊपर future sample है, and they both are correct. Whatever works for you. Is it clear? थोड़ा थोड़ा as per the concept and the formation is clear.
थोड़ा
Alisha,
थोड़ा समझ आ रहा है अभी.
थोड़ा थोड़ा.
हम्म.
Right. So you have to, मतलब formation clear है ना, that you have to take the whole verb and you have to add these endings. अभी
Yeah.
practice करेंगे.
हम्म.
We are going to do
Okay.
the speaking activity on this, and we are going to do normal sentences, question answers जो होते हैं, fill in the blanks, and then we are also going to do sentence making. So not a problem. Formation should be clear. Gunish, you are able to follow?
Yeah, थोड़ा
थोड़ा थोड़ा. ठीक है. Okay. All right. So let's start with the activities now.